Hi there, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about CloudFormation. So AWS CloudFormation, it is basically a service that helps you to model and set up your AWS resources so that you can spend less time in managing those resources, as well as we can focus on the other applications that run in the AWS. Basically, we can say in one sentence like it is an infrastructure as a code. So whenever we want, we can pin up our resources and we can set up the resources and we can use it later also. So it simplified your infrastructure management and we can quickly replicate our whole infrastructure rather than creating it from the scratch. So we can easily control and track changes to our infrastructure also by looking into the XAML file or the JSON file that you're being using to create a CloudFormation template. We can also use the pre-existing templates also. We'll just go to the console and I will show you a few more things about this AWS CloudFormation. So in today's lab, we will just be creating a template and we will upload our own template in which we will just simply be running an EC2 instance and we'll see what are the different interfaces in the CloudFormation. This is just a beginner level. So we will just move on to the console. So here you can type it over here, CloudFormation. So here you can create your own stack. So template is ready, use a simple template and create a template in a designer. So those options are there. So if you choose this, use a simple template, you can see over here what are things you want to do. LAMP stack is there, Ruby on Rails stack is there, WordPress blog is also there. So these are all predefined stacks are there that you can use it. And we can also go to the designer and we can drag and drop the resources, whatever we want. So it is basically a graphical interface in which we can drag and drop. So just in order to show you, you can just click here, create template in the designer. So this is a designer mode that is getting open. So you can just see if you drag and drop any of the resources over here. Let's say if I'm putting over here EC2, but this interface is not that much useful. So you can see we can have a EC2 instance resources over here. So like this, we can drag and drop and we can link it up with by using this designer interface. So I won't be using this one. So you can also have your template. So I will be using a user template is ready. I already have a template either in a JSON file or the XAML file. So you can also upload to an Amazon S3 bucket, and from that you can pick up your template. But here I'm going to upload my template. So I will just go to the CloudFormation. This is the XAML file that in which I am launching one EC2 instance. So we can view in the designer also. How does it look like? But before that, let's click next. Stack name, my EC2 clear CloudFormation. Next. No need of defining all those things. I'm using a root user, so make sure if you're providing some other user, you can use those options. So I'm just not using this rollback configuration notification option, just I'm launching a basic EC2 instance. That's a template URL. So by default, it is getting uploaded over there. And these are all those things. By default, I'm keeping it the same. Create stack. So you can see the create is in progress. What are the resources? We can check it over here. You can see Amazon EC2 instance and the logical ID that will be created MyInstance 1. So we can also move on to the EC2 instance over here, right click, and we can open in a new tab. So let us creating the stack. We just wait for it. You can refresh, complete it. Now we can see our EC2 instance over here. Yeah, so you can see it has created a EC2 instance, and now I will want to show you the YAML file, stack info. So this is my stack ID. So you can click on the template over here. So this is my template. So basically I'm running a EC2 instance, and this is my AWS and ImageId, Amazon ImageId, that AMI, and then the InstanceType is T2 micro. So we can also view this one in the designer. So you can see there is the EC2 instance. This is how it will work. If you want to get some more details about the CloudFormation, you can just check my GitHub account. I have created one web server also. You can utilize a template in order to how you can run a web server. So you can just go through it. So you can one more thing over here. You can just have it like if you want to switch between the JSON and the YAML, you can use this option over here coming at the bottom. You can see over here JSON and YAML over here. You can choose any one of them. I think YAML is pretty more easier. And if you want to get some source like this template codes and all, you can directly go to the Amazon website. Over there you can just search it over there. They have given you a few predefined templates are there that you can utilize in order to run your whole infrastructure, and you can customize accordingly as per your requirements. So the stack has been created. So as I told you, it has created an EC2 instance, so you can check over here. That is also running. So once that's done, we can just go to the stacks. And this is our stack that we created. You can just take the events over here. We can have it. This is a set of events that worked over here. How does it work? You can see over here. User initiated, resource creation initiated, completed over here. So all the events that occurred while creating the stack, it is mentioned over here. And what are the resources over here? We have only one EC2 instance over here. And if any outputs, nothing is there. No parameters defined, templates. Now we can also have the change sets. Nothing is being defined. So we will discuss more about this CloudFormation. I will come out with some more examples. So this was just the introduction about the CloudFormation. So you can just select this one, then you can delete. So if you're having a web server, if you're using multiple like things like application load balancer and all those things. So once you delete the stack, everything will get deleted. So that's it. So the stack deletion is in progress. And then when you refresh, this EC2 instance will also get deleted. So you can see there is nothing. So it's very fast over here. So that's it. Just the beginning about the CloudFormation. I hope you liked my video. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.